Okay, this is part two, boat doctor out here. This gentleman just added autopilot, radar, all the good stuff. So we're just going to continue on with the radar. So now I showed you, you can just go like, see how that changed to 350, and it changed that to 350, and now it's going to right here heading pretty soon 350, which is going to match that. 348, that's going to take in a little 349, 351, 349. That is really good. So now if you want to change your course here, you can change it right here. I'll go to 36 to 0 due north. Then I'll speed it up just a little bit. Just to show you, I got it set for low speed and high speed. There's your purple is your navigation up the channel. Perforated lines, you can be anywhere in there instead of heading line, range lines. So we're at 359. So that's 0, 0, 1. Ha! Can't get it. And that's going right at rudders at 1. So that looks good. We're doing 6 miles an hour. Tuna fish, there you go. So we're going to speed her up a little bit. We'll get just going at least 14, 15 miles an hour. Temperatures look good. Oil looks good. I don't think the fuel gauge works. We're doing 9 right there, according to that. We're 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Ah, that is awesome. Now we're going to pick it up for like just a cruising. Still on autopilot. So here's where you'd be probably cruising if it got rough out. So we're 0, 1 degree, 351 degree. So you got 358, 357, 3 degrees at this speed. Yeah, 3 right down here. Sometimes you may watch that, and then you want to balance your boat out on your trim tabs. So now we're doing about 16. We got it just a slight lean over here. There it goes. There. See how I use your trim tabs, level the boat out? We're at 2, 1, 0, 0. At 16 miles an hour. We'll get it up to about 20. Sitting at 19, 20. So we're at 0, 2, heading 0, 0. We're off 1 on the rudder. 0 heading, 0 heading. So at this speed, 349, 348. We're about 3 off at this speed. So you can adjust that. If you're going to run this speed, then you have to go into your menu, which adjust this over about 342. Put that on standby. So you can do it from there or here. Get lined up over here. this right here. 282, 281, 280. So 279, 276. So 277. About 3 degrees at this speed. So if I kick it back to right here, because you got a high-low setting on here. If you go on your rudder angle, 277, 277, 278, 279. So we'll go over here. That's at 14 miles an hour. So we want to go about 270, which I think 270 is due west. Could be wrong. 271, 270. So that's working. So we want to go over to 260. No, maybe it's 170. 170, 190 is due east, I think. Could be wrong. Okay, so 259, 260, 260. 58, 260. So all those numbers are really close. So now what we're going to do is kick this back. Right there. Then it's going to take a second. 258, 260. So you got to give it some time. 260, 261, 260. So I'm going to kick it back a little bit more here. Now, you go into here, you can either touch this or touch that A. So now what we want to do is go turns, right? We want to do say a U-turn. U-turn, U-turn. So we want to go to the port side. And then you can adjust those settings too. If you go into autopilot, then you go into watch my depth, 44 feet, 45. And you can adjust the time on that U-turn too. Now 44, we're still making a U-turn. See this? When that goes up to there, then that means that we did our U-turns complete. It's almost. See the red? See the red? And then it's going to lock when the U-turn's complete, it'll take you straight on. And it should be right here. And then it should hold that. See at 80? So then you hit here, you can go up into turns and say I want to do a circle. You can adjust the time on that. I want to go port. See how it's turning circles now? And then if you wanted to make it faster, you can just adjust it like that. You want to slow it down, you go the other way. Okay? So then you can go in here, you can stop that. Now we're put it on standby. Now you always got to be engaged to make your circles or any of your turns. So now again, I can either go over there or I can go right here where it says standby. I'll go here and I'll hit auto. Then I can hit here. Menu. On this one, you got to go to menu. System. Units, decimal language, files, about, network. We don't need to know any of that. So we want to exit out of that. And then autopilot. Go right there. Hit the auto turn patterns. Hit that. Now we want to do a zigzag. Hit that. Now you can set your how many degrees. So we're going to hit that. Now it's going to start doing zigzags. Or I already set it actually. You got depth, you got S turn. See, now we're zigzagging. And if you want to see how that's working, then you go over to nav. And heading hold. Turns. X out of that. X. See how it says zigzags? And then again, you can change how fast they are or how slow. See, I think I only had these like on 6. I went in here and changed them like a zig. So let's go right here.